Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class.
Welcome back to chemistry class, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to study a very important topic, which is classification of organic compounds based on carbon bonds. So let's understand this classification and details step by step. Introduction. Organic compounds are primarily made of carbon and hydrogen, but carbon atoms can connect to each other in different ways. Mean single bonds, carbon carbon single bonds, double bonds, carbon carbon double bonds, triple bonds, carbon carbon triple bonds. The type of carbon carbon bond present in a molecule determines its reactivity, properties, and classifications. The first one, saturated compounds, means alkanes, contain only single bonds between carbon atoms. Each carbon is saturated with hydrogen atoms. General formula CnH2n plus 2. Examples: methane CH4, ethane C2H6, propane C3H8. Key features: saturated compounds are less reactive than unsaturated compounds found in fossil fuels like natural gas and petroleum. The second one is unsaturated compounds. Unsaturated compounds contain double or triple bond between carbon atoms. Alkenes, first one, alkenes contain at least one double bonds between carbon-carbon. General formula is CnH2n. Examples: ethene C2H4, propene C3H6. Properties: more reactive than alkenes due to carbon-carbon double bond, undergo addition reactions easily. And B, alkynes contain at least one triple bonds between carbon-carbon. General formula is CnH2n minus 2. Examples: ethane C2H2, propane C3H4. Properties: highly reactive due to the triple bond, also undergo addition reactions. And third one is aromatic compounds, contain carbon atoms arranged in a ring with alternating double bonds, resonance structures. Most common example is benzene C6H6. Properties: stable due to resonance, undergo substitution reactions instead of addition reactions. Summary table is type, bond type, general formula, example, reactivity. Type: saturated compounds mean alkanes. In alkanes, carbon-carbon single bond is present. So general formula is CnH10 plus 2. Example: CH4, C2H6. Reactivity low. Second one, unsaturated compounds mean alkenes, have carbon-carbon double bonds. General formula is CnH2n. Example: C2H4, C3H6. Reactivity medium. Third one, unsaturated compounds, alkynes, carbon-carbon triple bonds. General formula is CnH2n minus 2. Example: C2H2, C3H4. Examples: reactivity is high. And last one, aromatic compounds. Bond type is alternating carbon-carbon double bond in ring. General formula is C6H6. Examples: benzene, reactivity medium. So my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on classification of organic compounds based on carbon-carbon bonds. I hope you understand. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.